Now let's go a little bit further than that. Hey Joe, I got some 4-foot fluorescent light fixtures. I hear if I put the thinner bulbs, they don't cost me as much. I run less electricity and I want to do that, but I hear I have to retrofit my light fixture. How do I do that? Well, usually what you can do is you take that apart and then the ballast gets changed in size. This black, rectangular, heavy piece of material that fits up in there. It's encased and it's got wires coming out of it. And I'll show you that after a while when I get ready to demo this. But this was just a quick and dirty, okay? You replace that with an electronic ballast. It looks about the same. It's not as fat, it's thinner, and it will last longer. But once you do that, then you have to change these bulbs to the T8, which are the thin bulbs. And sometimes the ends of the light fixture might even have to be replaced. And if this was in a bigger fixture, sometimes they give you a case that comes out that's kind of a foil type case that reflects the light out better, and you can do something like that. Or if you just want to change out the electronic ballast and the bulbs and maybe the ends if you need to, okay, then it will run cheaper. Chances are you're not going to do that if you only have 2 lights in a garage or a storage room or something like that. Mainly, most commercial buildings do that because they may have hundreds of light fixtures to change out. Then you see all of the amount of savings they'll have on the electricity bill, and sometimes they'll get a rebate from the county and or from the electrical company that you pay your electricity bill to. So just check that out next time if you're interested. Now I believe most of the light fixtures that you get nowadays are the LED style, not the LEDs, but the T8 bulbs, lamps like this one, and they already come with the electronic style ballasts, okay? If you buy them today, you don't have to worry about doing any retrofit. Now, one more thing about retrofitting. Sometimes now, I have not checked into it, but I hear that you can get LED style lamps now. Then you've got to change out from the electronic ballast and the T8 lamps to something different, okay? If you want to look into that, check that out at your favorite hardware store.